There are moments in life that test us, not just our patience or our will, but the very fabric of who we are. I've had my share of those moments, the kind that feel like walking through fire with no promise of coming out the other side. People sometimes ask how I keep my spirits high when times get hard, how I push through the dry spells, the slumps, the quiet seasons, when everything feels uncertain. And the truth is, I've learned to dance with the struggle. I've been at this a long time, since around 2004 or 5. The path has not been easy. There were years filled with family pain, loss, and heartbreak. There were days when I felt like I was trudging through hell, just trying not to get burned alive. But I've also learned something about fire. It doesn't just destroy, it forges. And when you surrender to it, when you let it burn away what no longer serves you, you come out stronger, more defined, more you. Creating is what keeps me alive. It's what I was born to do. And over time, I realized something important. Every door that closed, every job that slipped away, every almost that fell through was redirecting me here, to this work, to these hands, to this calling. There were countless moments when I thought, maybe I should walk away. Maybe I should choose something safer. But each time, something inside whispered, keep going. And so I did. My strength comes from God, from my faith, my discipline, and the quiet rituals that ground me. Prayer, study, meditation, listening when He speaks. I've built routines that keep my mind strong, morning, day, and night. I've learned to silence distractions, stay out of drama, and pour that energy into growing as an artist and as a woman. Because self-employment, it's not an easy road. Your success mirrors what you believe about yourself. And I've learned that true security, the kind that lasts, doesn't come from paychecks or promises. It comes from within. There are days I wish I'd chosen differently, sure. But then I remember no one can give me what only God and I can create together. Not peace, not purpose, not joy. My happiness doesn't come from outside. It comes from the work of my hands, the fire in my heart, and the quiet knowing that I'm exactly where I'm meant to be. Everything I make, every stitch, every cut, every design, carries a piece of that story. Because every warrior bears the mark of what they've survived. And in that way, my art isn't just leather. It's legacy. It's proof that even in the hardest of times, beauty is still being made. For more DIY leather crafting tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell to be notified when new videos are released. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.